Hello everybody, Ryan Weber out here at Johnson RV in beautiful Sandy, Oregon. And look at the weather today. It is absolutely phenomenal. Today we're going to feature the 2022 Winnebago Solis 59P. It's a great little rig. It's on the ProMaster chassis. We go down, we got the running boards, nice big mirrors, so if you're pulling anything, you got a good sight of your blind spots and all that good stuff. This is a pop top, and when we get inside, I'll show you a little bit more about it. So to walk around, here we have our propane. Nice privacy glass. What I like too is these do zip up for more privacy. So if you're back here sleeping, you can take a nice nap during the daytime. You won't be affected by the sunshine. Here we have the external shower with our utility station. Tow package is included with a backup camera. We go down here, we do have our 30 amp shore power, and this does have the cassette toilet. So what that means is you just kind of open this, you take your little tank out and you dump it. It's got the Truma hot water system. Once again, this is on the ProMaster chassis. Very comfortable to drive, handles like a car. So it's a really, really nice unit. Now let's go inside where we can see the good stuff. What I like right here is you have the refrigerator, so you don't have to step inside to get something. If you're entertaining, you can get your cold beverages. Don't even have to step inside. Battery disconnect. We have our cigarette lighter for power and USB ports if you need to charge your cell phone or whatnot. As we come inside, both chairs do swivel. We have a nice little table here, more seating for two. And what I like about the pop top is when you're traveling, you might have a bunch of luggage and all that kind of stuff with you. If you don't need anybody to sleep up here, where you get to where you're going, you can just throw your bags up there. And also up here, there is more power outlets and everything. We have our 2-burner cooktop. I really like this. A little more area for when you're cooking. Sink, which is nice to have, of course. Here we have our wet bath, which is actually pretty spacious because this is a fairly small unit. And they really, really utilized all the room in this thing. All right. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you this. Here's our bed that just folds down. Real simple. Then it goes flush with that. It does open up quite a bit. Fits two adults very nice and comfortably. Now I'm going to jump out real quickly and I'm going to show you something else. More storage down below. Have two areas right here where you can keep more stuff like your shoes, blankets, extra pillows. More storage here. And that just about concludes it. This is Ryan Weber out at Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon. If I'm not available, talk to any one of our professional outfitters. Thank you very much.